Okay, so the entire video now you will see, or you've already seen, will consist of me explaining the functions of these stickers. Everything remains the same except the color palette. So I've talked about the stickers with this color palette. However, I've changed the color palette since, and all the stickers that are going to come in this kit are these. Okay, so this is the color palette, headers, um, habit tracker, weekly section, then labels. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I've done a long format video, but this particular product warranted me talking about this to you in detail so that I could explain to you what I was going for with this product. And this product is quite intentional. It's come out of the need, it's come out of the frustration of me not having proper tools for organizing my thoughts, my to-do lists. And so there are precise problems that I'm solving with this product, and I want to lay out all those problems in front of you. And if you have been facing similar problems and want to want some help, this product might be for you. Okay, with the so with the main thing that I was facing was that I was too afraid to write my actual to-do lists in the actual planner. And for that, I've made this product, which is the pocket notebook. It's quite tiny and it's quite cute. So instantly when you look at it, you will find it very cute, and you will want to write in it. I really like having cute notebooks is the only thing that makes me do that. So yeah, so if just the first thing you need to do is just to brain dump all the things that you need to do for the week or for the day or whatever. And this can be as messy as you want, which you can then later transfer into your weekly notebook, which is this notebook. And this notebook has a monthly section, which you can customize your month according to these dates, and a weekly section. There's this blank section, you can track your monthly progress here. And then you have weekly sections. Please ignore this is my this is an oops booklet, so there might be some tiny imperfections. You will not have those imperfections. You will get the perfect notebook with slight of course it's handmade, so don't expect exact perfection. But if you know me, I do proper quality checks. So let's not get off track. Okay, let's just get with this. So with this, I have monthly section, weekly section. Weekly section comes with 5 sections. Okay, and then after 5 weeks you have these grid notebooks, grid pages. These are at least 24 pages. I will 24 yeah 24 28 pages, at least 24 to 28 pages, which I realize is like not exactly a complete month, but it's undated. And most of the time we might skip 1 day or 2 days. And my priority was to make sure that the booklet is like proper, easy to carry around. If I don't want to make it too bulky with actual monthly pages, because it would defeat the purpose of making this portable. So it will have at least 25 plus pages. Actual number will depend on the and on the booklet that I'm making, but regardless it will have at least 24 to 25 pages of daily sections. And then, yeah, so this daily section has 4 uh, grids, and this also has daily, like 5 a.m. to 4 a.m., like 24-hour tiny um, timeline. Okay, and this, you can use it or you can ignore it. It's quite tiny, so you can absolutely ignore it. You can just use it as one day, or split and make it into 2 days, or just journal your thoughts here. The reason for this is, this booklet is that your it's going to stick with you all the time. This is going to be with you all the time, you know and now, coming on to the tools that will help you with your planning. These are the date covers that go here. Okay, you can use them, or you can just write your own dates. And let me start with the to do headers and the checklists. Okay, my main thing was that I was not getting anything done because I didn't have a proper to-do list going on for me. I just wanted something which would make daily to-do lists for me. So I will this when I will start using this planner, this is going to be my thing. I'm going to just put down the headers, and based on what how much work I have, I will choose the checklist that I need. You can mismatch. Please ignore my dog. Sorry, I'm really sorry. You can mix. You can make mismatch, or mix match, or anything you can do, and you can just write your to-do list and check it off. Then and whenever there is anything important that you need to remember, you can just use this label. This is a trick that I do. I stick it on my hand so that I can remove the sticker again when I need, because right now I don't need this, so I'm just showing you guys this, that's why. Okay, see, this is the section that I'm doing. Alternatively, you can just put this above if you want the appointment to be the highlight of the day. And I also have habit trackers, so you will have the to-do list going for you, and you will have the main important appointment for the day that you can mark here. You can also have, these are also the habit trackers. There are 10 different trackers here. You can use them to mark whatever habits you're currently tracking. Currently I'm tracking my habit of um, doing at least 7k steps each day, and so far I've been very consistent. um, yeah, and later, so this is the habit tracker that you can use, and you can also keep track of your to-do lists, or keep track of your uh, weekly checklist. Or with this particular checklist, this has Monday to Sunday, so with this checklist you can mark, or make sure you have um, one to do per list. You can one priority for each day that you want to do, and you can just mark that off, or you can just mark the highlights for that day, or anything that you might want to do. And yeah, it's totally up to you. I have provided you with 5 different trackers for each week, so it's totally up to you. You can ultimately you can use it here as well, since this so the as you can see, this is a 1.5-inch column. Okay, this column is highlighted, slightly highlighted, so that you can, it's not too overpowering, and you can ignore it if you want. And yeah, you can just keep track of your weekly checklist from here to your daily pages. And yeah, or you can just use it here as well. Regardless, it's totally up to you. As I say that you need structure, but you also need a little bit of room to make your own creative uh, to bring your own creativity into this. So yeah, that is what I'm aiming with this. And I just want to keep track of my to-do list for each day and see how it goes. And also this pocket notebook, this also comes with this planner kit, and this is a pocket notebook, and this is the first step for you. You need to brain dump all the things that you want to do onto this notebook. And since this is a brain dump notebook, it can be as messy as you want. And when you brain dump, you will actually realize what is the priority, because not everything doesn't have to be a priority. Not everything is a priority. So you just need to brain dump all the things that you want to do, and then pick and choose and make it into the final list, and keep track of your things. And yeah, so this notebook is for that. And these checklists, these labels, I've included 2 sheets of these, so ample of these for your tracking. And also these are the ombre heart checklists. You can use them as well. No, in any way you want. You can use them for daily if you like, or for weekly, or you can use them in the daily sections, anywhere you like. And then you have these checklists, and then you have these cute little daily intake stickers. If if you want to keep track of your daily intake, you can do so by tracking your daily protein, carbs, fiber, and total calories you took that day, or maybe you burnt that day, whatever. You can do that. um, it's an extra little something from my side for you guys. And then also another thing is this productivity sampler. um, you can use it to mark anything you want. You can use it to mark this one, to mark your meetings, um, the huge pile of dishes. Rest is productive as well, so make sure you do that. And I also I've included this daily day stickers, Monday to Sunday. You can use them here if you want. They will go perfectly and brighten up your day. And yeah, and to keep this all these things together, I have included this plastic pouch in the planner kit. This is a freebie that comes with everything. So I didn't realize that this was actually going viral. I was off Instagram for a while, and when I came back, I saw these pockets pouches go viral, and I was thinking of doing something, because I really wanted a proper solution for us, to keep track of everything. And if you want to keep the habit of planning, you need to make it accessible. And to do that, you need proper organization with proper tools. And that's where this pouch came in. I was thinking of this idea, and later I saw that everything was going on, this was going viral. So I think I think I manifested that. So then yeah, so everything will come together. You can This pouch will be there with you. This pouch will come with the planner kit for you to organize everything together, and keep it going. um, you can also make it into that cover, I guess, but I don't know if it will fit the planner. uh, yeah, it's because it's totally up to you. I'm going to just provide you the pouch, and it's up to you whether you can, make it work with your DIY skills. But so this is the planner pouch, and I really hope you like this video. I really hope you like this concept. Let me know what you think about this. If you think this will work, if you think it just won't work, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. I really apologize for the background noises, and thank you so much again. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. And also, one more thing. In the video, I've mentioned that the daily pages come at least 25. Actually, they are, I've counted, and they are 32 page. There are 32 pages here. So the only issue was that this currently had a mishap in cutting. So that's why I thought I might need to reduce some pages, but that's not the case. I've since made I've realized my mistake, and I will make proper notebook. There will be at least 30 daily pages. There might be extra, but there will not be less than 30 pages. So if you intend to use it as a daily page, daily journal, or daily for daily use, you can definitely use it. So regardless if the month is 31 days old, if the month has 31 days, or if the month has 30 days, you can use this entire booklet for the entire month. It comes with 5 weeks worth of pages in the weekly section, and in the daily section you will have at least 30 days. So now that's out of the way, let's go into the video.